Today's tutorial is an absolute top drawer gem, Northern Soul classic from Melba Moore, of course, that being Magic Touch. I'm going to mix it up today by using a combination of Barre Chords and simple triads for the iconic intro. Kicking off with the triad chords, these are going to be played over the strings 1, 2 and 3 only. First one being E flat on the 6th and 8th frets. Moving down to the 4th and 6th fret, same shape, D flat, and then we're going into a refined simple version of the F major chord on the 4th fret, and this is going to be your A flat chord, and then we're going to move that to the 7th, and we've got a B major. So typically one strum each bar, repeat twice. We then move into the up-tempo verse progression, which is also doubled up as the chorus progression as well. And these are placed over the same chords, but they're in the Barre chord version. So first up we have E flat major once again, D flat major, A flat, and B. So the strum pattern features throughout the song, fairly up tempo, down, up, down. Typically that's what I tend to play all the way through. You can vary it up as you go along. Once again, nice and slowly, down, up, down, up. So you got a quick chord change in between each chord. So start off nice and slowly, if you're fairly new to Barre chords or chord changes, and then work your way up to song tempo. We go to the pre-chorus, two of those chords we played already, kicking off on the tonic chord, the open chord, which is going to be, or our first chord, which is going to be, once again, E flat to a D flat. And back again, and back to the D flat. And that there is our pre-chorus progression. So once again, you'll then kick into the chorus, which is the same as the verse. I'll play it through one more time. Moving nicely onto one more section of the song. Like I say, fairly straightforward, fairly simple one. So the bridge plays after the second chorus and sounds something like this. So the breakdown is, we start off with 2 bars of, once again, E flat, then we move to our next chord, which is going to be B flat minor. So we're keeping our bar finger on fret 6 and we're moving to an E minor shape on fret 8. So that's played for 4 bars, however on the 4th bar we do have quite an iconic climb, which goes from the B flat minor to the C minor and then the D flat minor. So we're moving from the 6th fret to the 8th fret, same shape, to the 9th fret, same shape. Timing wise, sounds something like this. So the timing for that climb on the 4th bar would be 1, 4, which goes to our C minor, and we're back to 1 on the D flat minor, playing for another 4 bars. So now I'm going to play the track in full. You can use it as practice, as a backing track, or as a little guidance along the way.